Ever smoked a London broil? If not, you're missing out. Watch this. Today for this cook we're using a 1-pound London broil that I picked up at the local grocery store. For seasoning I'll be using Dakota Black. If you don't have Dakota Black, a simple coffee rub is equal parts finely ground coffee, kosher salt, and coarse black pepper. Today we'll be firing up the pellet grill to 225 degrees. Okay, let's go ahead and get her seasoned up. I'm applying a generous coat of Dakota Black to the first side. The great thing about this seasoning is the coffee and pepper create an incredible crust, especially on beef. Let's go ahead and flip her over and we'll season the other side. And guys, don't be afraid to season generously here. Make sure to get all sides. What I'm doing here is just using the leftover rub that's already on the cutting board. Okay, now that it's seasoned, we'll just let this sit and get set up while the smoker comes up to temp. Okay guys, it looks like the grill's up to temp and ready to go. Yeah, I'm not sure if the camera's picking it up, but we've got some clean smoke rolling now. Okay, now it's time to put her on and let the smoke do the work. Now that it's been a while, let's go ahead and check in on it and see how it's coming along. Oh yeah, the bark's developing nicely. Won't be long now. Let's see how she turned out. Ooh, now that's what we're looking for right there. We'll go ahead and put a nice sear on both sides and lock that flavor in. Once it's seared on both sides and the internal temp has reached about 128 degrees, we'll go ahead and pull it off and let it rest for about 10 minutes before we start slicing it up. And now that the meat has rested 10 minutes, now comes the best part. For maximum tenderness, you always want to slice London broil across the grain. Just take a look at that juice, nice and juicy. Yeah, the coffee crust adds incredible flavor while the inside stays juicy and tender. That's it, that's a coffee crusted London broil on the pellet grill using Dakota Black. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this cook, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.